In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Grammarly extension in Google Chrome. By the end, you'll have Grammarly ready to help catch spelling, grammar, and clarity issues right where you write, from emails to documents and web forms. First, make sure you're using Google Chrome on your computer. This process is designed for the desktop version of Chrome, and it works best if your browser is up to date. Go ahead and open Chrome so we can get started. Look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. This opens Chrome's main menu, sometimes called the Customization and Control menu. It's where you'll find tools, settings, and options related to extensions. In that menu, move your cursor to the Extensions option. A small side menu will appear. Click Visit Chrome Web Store. If you don't see that shortcut in your menu, you can reach the same place by opening a new tab and searching for the Chrome Web Store. The key is to make sure you're on the official Chrome Web Store before installing anything. Once you're in the store, use the search bar at the top left and type Grammarly. You'll see results populate below. Look for the official Grammarly extension, which is typically labeled Grammarly, Grammar Checker, and Writing App, and shows a verified publisher with strong reviews. Taking a second to verify you've got the correct listing helps you avoid lookalikes and ensures you get the features and security you expect. When you're on the Grammarly listing, click Add to Chrome. A small prompt will appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download the extension and install it automatically. In a moment, you should see a confirmation message and an icon may appear near the top right of your browser. If you don't see it right away, click the puzzle piece icon to view your extensions. From there, you can pin Grammarly so it's always visible. That's it for the installation. The next time you're typing in most text fields online, Grammarly will underline potential issues and offer suggestions. If a new tab opens after installation, that's just the welcome or setup page. You can review any on-screen tips, and when prompted, sign in or create an account to sync your settings across devices if you choose. Quick recap. Open Chrome, use the three-dot menu, go to Extensions, visit the Chrome Web Store, search for Grammarly, click Add to Chrome, and confirm Add Extension. You're now ready to write with more confidence in Google Chrome.